See, here's the thing, guys. If you hang on just hope alone, you're going to end up being disappointed quite a lot. It's when you're doing something serious and making some serious moves, serious decisions, and taking serious steps that you get the reward.
It's amazing, honestly. Like being able to do all of these climbs and stuff, and the teaching session you get like during things. It's like an eye opener.
Really?
Yeah, honestly, probably one of my best experiences.
Are you serious?
Yeah, like
wow.
I don't get to do physical things like this very often, so finding one that I can enjoy is like a really special thing to me.
Amazing. It's a really good experience. Like you can see how the mental and the physical stuff connect, and I think that's the best bit. Like the walls kind of represents GCSEs, and we're sort of, if we physically attack them, we know how to mentally attack them as well. So that's the best bit. The biggest thing that's kind of like spinning in my mind right now is to use fear as our fuel, and that was probably the biggest sort of, I don't know, like driving force. I'm the king of the world! There's a lot of things I'm scared about, and especially failing GCSEs, but if I use that as my fuel, I could potentially do better than what I think I'm capable of.
Know how to put in the work to get where I want to be.
I think it was really about like the motivation to get up and actually do something, to make the decision to like work harder or achieve something, because it's all right saying I can do it, but it's not saying I will do it. And I think I've been taught the difference like of what those are and how to achieve like the actual doing, like how to get up, really.
Even when you think you can't do it, you can. Like literally just try. Like just get past it. Once you get to a certain stage, you know you can go further. So yeah, just keep trying.
This program, Slamming, is this something that you'd recommend to kids in other schools?
I think it should be mandatory, really. I think it's something that's missed out on massively in the education department. Like an experience that really teaches kids how to learn. Like you can teach a kid, but whether they're actually absorb it is a completely different thing. So I think that's another lesson I've learned here, and I think that everyone could gain at least something from coming to an experience like this.